I'm here in Visayas and Mindanao region. This is my Dia concept store in partnership with Eco Electrical Appliances. As mentioned a while ago, we're very thankful about the partnership because it gives the Cebuanos access for a global brand such Dia and Toshiba Appliances. The concept store idea is to give that kind of consumer experience. Apart from buying just home appliances on a retail store, you can experience and imagine your home appliance inside your house. Also, it allows Dia to show all our products in one area compared when you go to a retail appliances where all the brands are all together with each category. Here, you will find Dia home appliance washing machine, aircon, refrigerator, beverage cooler, water dispensers, all in one place. So you can also imagine the same thing as you buy Dia home appliances for your home. Concept store will change the way buyers or consumers in the Philippines buy home appliances. From a product purchase to a lifestyle purchase, experiential store. And that's how we wanted to envision the future of home appliance industry in the Philippines. Electrical appliances for this partnership because it will enable and give our Cebuanos consumers access to our products. And on top of mind, the top products for Dia are of course air conditioner, refrigerator, and washing machine. And then for Toshiba home appliances, we have the refrigerator, water dispenser, cooking appliances, and also washing machines.
First of all, maraming salamat po to the Shore family. Sir Richard, Sir Robert, Albert, and Ma'am Bea, and of course to the whole Chua family for giving us a chance to expand Dia presence in the Philippines, and first of all sa Cebu as one of the the booming economy in the Philippines after Metro Manila. To be honest, we're having a hard time to penetrate Cebu, but with Eco Electrical Appliance partnership, as we begin our partnerships early or last part of last year lang po, it gave us already a chance to put our first ever Dia concept store in Visayas and Mindanao region through Eco Electrical Appliance. I'm very happy and very proud of our team here, sales and marketing team, because this concept store really showed how our appliances can help Filipino people in two ways. Una po kasi we have the Dia brand that caters affordable solutions or affordable innovations. And our idea is for you to imagine it inside your home. Nakita niyo naman po how beautiful our products are and yet accessible. As we said, they're the world's #1 smart home appliances globally. Then upstairs naman po for our premium, how will I say it, medyo nakakaangat na sa buhay ng mga consumers. I hope you get to visit our Toshiba lifestyle showroom upstairs that offers home appliances as well. For those that you want quiet luxury items. So we have there as well our home appliance refrigerator, washing machine. And this is the first time that we executed two brands in one location. So again, maraming salamat for giving us this space and good location for our products. Of course, with the partnership with Eco Electrical Appliance. Again, maraming salamat.